Hi, this is Frank. He's French-Canadian. He's been off-roading for the last 15 to 20 years. He builds his own stuff all the time. He's trying to build a lightweight EV Rockcrawler with 40-inch tires, a Nissan Leaf motor and batteries. So let's see what he's been up to recently.
Frank's welding steel sheet and plate to cover the smaller battery boxes. On part of the box that are not exposed to getting hit and dent, he used smaller gauge steel, like 20 to gauge, but in other place, like just over the suspension link, he used 1/8 plate. By doing this, he's trying to make the boxes as light as possible. Also, while he's welding, he's doing small weld all around each plate to minimize deformation by the heat. After the boxes had cooled, he's applying silicone inside the box, all along the joints to make them completely waterproof. The silicone gun cannot reach all the joints because the box are too small, so most of the silicone is applied using his finger.
Hi, welcome back to my project. This is the battery box that I just finished welding all the plates around it. It's completely sealed out. Inside I've put some silicone to be sure there's no water that can come in it. Now the problem I have to solve is how to close it without welding it, because the battery is going to be inside it. So my idea for now is put an angle on this side, because it's the bottom side that's going to sit on the frame, and I'm going to cut the sides of it that sit on the frame to have the minimum height possible. In the front I've put a piece of metal that I'm going to do some hole and thread. So the plate's going to be on top of them with small screws that are going to be threaded all around the box. I'm going to put a lot of silicone too when I'm going to cap it to be sure it's completely tight too.
It's too late.
There's over 30 holes to drill with a small drill bit. Frank's using cutting wax on the drill bit to help cooling them so they don't burn and became dull. After making the holes, he must tap each hole with an M6x1 thread. Again, he's using cutting wax to cool down the tool.
Okay, now I've pretty much finished the battery box. It's all closed with 15-16 bolts. I'm going to put some silicone to seal it up once the battery going to be inside and all the wiring ready. I need to do a hole somewhere over there to put the wiring that's going to come out of the battery pack, and that's going to be going to the other battery pack and to the motor and inverter and everything. Now the job I have to do, I have to find a way to hold the battery down so it doesn't move at all. So my idea for now is to put an angle there, just cut there, drill a hole right through, and put a nut over there, and do the same thing over there, and do something on the other side to hold it on the other side too. I think 3 bolt, 3/8. It's gonna be strong enough to hold it down. And after that, I have to figure out how to put the big battery box in the middle and hold it down there with this 250 pound. So this one really needs to be tight and not move at all because it's really heavy. So thank you for following me. See you later.